So I am thrilled to welcome everyone in the room right now to our fourth and final installment of this year's Archival Landscapes, a virtual seminar series offered by the SAA International Archival Affairs section. So thank you for joining us. My name is Karen Trivett, and I'm happy to welcome you all on behalf of the IAAS Steering Committee. I am junior co-chair of the section and currently head of special collections and college archives at the Fashion Institute of Technology, one of 64 campuses of the State University of New York. Archival Landscapes is a virtual seminar series of IAAS of SAA. In each seminar, an international guest speaker introduces participants to the issues and advancements in their local contexts, describing the history, operating environment, and unique aspects of archival practice in their country. We're continuing these interesting conversations today with our guest speaker, Joo-Hyun Kim, curator at the National Archives of Korea. So thank you again all for joining us. I want to begin with a few important items to note. We are recording the presentation portion of this event for future accessibility. Please mute your microphones if you haven't already and close video transmission until the Q&A time, which will be the last portion of our meeting. Until that time, feel free to write any questions you might have into the chat box, and we will address them in the order that they are received and as time allows. The recorded portion of this event will be accessible via the SAA YouTube channel not too long from now. So captioning and ASL interpreting services are provided today by Access Resource. This is afforded with the generous support from component funding from SAA, approved by Council, and we thank them very much. I'm actually going to share my screen so that you also get some tips on accessibility during today's presentation.
지금 여기 프레젠테이션을 쌤이 하는 건데 지금 이거 소개를 좀 하고 있거든요.
So here you see for the interpreting portion, consumers using this service will need to pin the interpreter. IARS specific, they will need to hold the interpreter's picture and several options will populate. So when you do that, please select pin.
읽으면서 아까 그거 하는 것처럼 스몰톡 하다고 했어.
It is also important to turn your phone to the landscape orientation, which has the best view because the picture of the interpreter is not so small in that orientation. So I will stop sharing now. So without further delay, I'm very pleased to introduce today's speaker, Joo-Hyun Kim, who will explain the current status of records management work of the National Archives of Korea. She will also discuss trends in records management in Korea generally. We are delighted to welcome her interpreter too, who will translate the presentation from Korean to English. And with that, I will ask Professor Kim to please start her presentation. I'm actually going to share Professor Kim's slides so that we can have her speak and I can show what she's going to talk about.
화면 공유하고 잠깐 내가 얘기 좀 할게.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, I'm translator here, and she said that she sent the information about the Joseon Dynasty story, and only we have 1 hour to talk about it. So she want about the story, question and answer. If you already read the file.
이렇게
Did you check it out the file or did you not?
This is the first file I had in my email.
아, 오케이. 이거 벌써 처음이라고 안 읽어봤다는데? Okay, now she talk about the file.
The Annals of Joseon Dynasty is the official national record of the Joseon Dynasty that organized the history of the Joseon Dynasty, focusing on the deeds of successive kings. This is a historical narrative spanning 472 years. From the first king Taejong to the 25th king Cheoljong. This is not a history book intentionally planned and compiled by specific people at a specific time, but rather an accumulation of information compiled each time the king was replaced in successive governments. The Annals of the Joseon Dynasty consist of 48 books, 107 volumes, and 6804 pages, based on the Taebeksan version held by the National Archives. And its main contents cover politics, development, economy, military, law, idealized and life of the Joseon Dynasty. This is Joseon 실록. The compilation process of the annals of the Joseon Dynasty is as follows. First, to maintain fairness, it is compiled immediately after the king's death. Second, the Annals and Record Office is established as a temporary institution and collects detailed data such as historical records, city records, and monks' diaries. It goes through a three-stage process: beginning, middle, long, third, finish. Afterwards, it is printed in type and shared in the 뭐죠 이게?
춘추원.
춘추관, wash the
춘추관.
춘추관, wash the grass and wash the grass. Annals compilation is managed by the 춘추관. Officers are deployed wherever state affairs are conducted to correct records. The former military officer records the first few moments of his service to the king. Concurrent officers are assigned to each government office and prepare administrative reports. This is 사관. This is 사관. 뭐죠 이게죠? 예.
She has explained about the picture. The picture is about the recording of at the moment of time.
This is 사관. 사관에 대해서 이게 좀 기록하는 사람이라고. 예.
The picture, the people, they are the recorder of the Joseon dynasty. When the king talk and they record it, they writing and they record it. They are the people of the officer.
Okay, very good.
Next page. There are two types of sacho, a place where discussions regarding government administration take place. Sacho. This is a record left by an officer directly participating in a place where state affairs are discussed. Sacho to make at home. This is a record to the officer's judgment and evaluation, written separately by the officer upon returning home. This is 사서 to make at home. Annals compilation materials include 이걸 뭐라고 읽어야 되지? 춘추관 이거
춘추관 식전 식전기.
춘추관 식전기, 성균관 다이어리, 사초,
의정부.
의정부 registration,
비변사.
비변사 registration, 일성록, etc. The 실록청 prints type in 3 stages, first, middle, and finish. 실록청에서 이렇게 기록을 하는 거라고 얘기 들었어요.
She said the picture is about
편집하다.
the editing of the writing.
사초 and 세촌 세초 and 저기 뭐라고 해야 돼?
조연?
뭐라고 해야 되나? 세초
그냥 이거 될 것 같아요.
네.
이건 지금 한국말을
네.
그대로 한 거니까.
세초 and 세초연. 세초연 is a ritual in which the 사초 used in compilation of the annals is washed in water to erase handwriting to maintaining confidentially and recycle paper. 세초연 is a feast to encourage officials involved in the compilation. 여기가 지금 세초하고 있는 거라고 얘기해 주세요.
The picture about the first draft, they washed out the ink.
That's very surprising.
Because that's the first draft, so it does sometimes it makes a mistake. So they want to reuse the paper because the paper was very important at the time of
Right.
In order to preserve the annals, they were preserved and managed by displaying them throughout the country. Preservation extends 4 in the early Joseon dynasty and 5 in late Joseon dynasty. There are 4 sites in the early Joseon dynasty. 춘추관, 청주 library, 성주 library, and 정주 library. In the late Joseon dynasty, there are 5 sites. 춘추관, 태백 mountain library, 묘향산 library.
That's the name of the site of they keep the record of the
Yes.
5 sites.
아니, 그 얘기를 해주세요. 하나의 원본을 가지고 4곳, 5곳으로 똑같은 걸 나누어서 보존했다.
She said that there's one original print and they printed one original and they reprinted 5 reprinted. So they keep the 5 record the different place at the Korean Peninsula at the time.
이제 뭐지? 재난이나 전쟁 때문에
If there are the
유출될
disaster
수가
or
있기
war or any incident, so
Separate.
they were worrying about it, so they make it separate the place to keep them.
Next, please.
Okay, next.
Yes. It is a preservation box made of Paulownia tree, 오동나무, and preserved 이건 뭐다? 청주 and insect replace iris are placed in the 그러니까 preservation box에 방충제하고 그걸로 보존할 수 있도록 방충제하고 이걸 넣었다고 얘기했어요.
So at the time, they make the special box for the papers for protecting from insect and the rain or the weather.
For regular inspection and management of extents and records, they were inspected once every 2 3 years and the report of the state of record was prepared. 이거 다시 한번 설명해 주세요. 2, 3년마다 이 실록을 꺼내서 상태를 확인하고 바람과 햇볕에 말렸다고.
So she said at the time they want to keep they take out from every 2 or 3 years. So they take out the paper and they on the sun for the keep the paper.
그 상태를 기록했다고.
So they recorded at the condition of the paper.
Next.
Okay.
Next page, okay. The annals of the records are kept together with the reason when an instance needs to be opened, such as viewing or inspection of the annals record. The situation of the book was recorded. 이것도 되게 중요하고.
이건 뭐예요?
이게 뭐냐면 실록 청지연이라고 그냥 상태를 기록하는 거다라고 하시면 돼요.
So they inspecting of the paper of the special.
이제 열람을 했을 경우에.
So if there's anyone want to see what's the condition about it, so they always they want to show it's okay.
So it's sort of like a condition report.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
National Archives of Korea Historical Archives preserve and manage the Taebaek Mountain original copy of the annal of the Joseon Dynasty, Gakwasa Temple during the Joseon Dynasty, 태백산 Mountain 사고. 여기가 각화사라고 해주세요.
So the picture about the original place for the keep the paper. It says Taebaek Mountain.
그리고 여기에 있는 이 태백산본이 국가기록원에 있다고 얘기죠.
So she said the picture is about the Taebaek library. So nowadays in Korea archive institution they keep the paper from the paper.
Next page. This is our National Archives repository and 보존 box, preservation box, and 조수만주 실록 예시.
이게 지금 그 국가기록원.
국가기록원. 네.
The picture about the National Archive inside of the
보존되고 있는 모습.
that's the condition about now.
So 이게 실록.
So that's the box about the 조선실록.
Wow. Is there another file I should open?
Yeah.
Jaehyun?
너 다른 거 열어봐도 되냐고.
네.
Yes, she said okay. Yeah, you can open it. There's another 2 files.
2 files.
Okay.
아까 그 질문한 거 그거 해도 될 것 같은데요.
간단하게.
3가지. 지금
Is
미국에.
this correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. This is my picture. I work at National Archives of Korea. I am currently in charge of collecting public record in the economic field. I joined the company in 2001. I mainly work in the field of record information service. In 2008, I planned an exhibition of historical landscapes under the slogan, "When the exhibition opened, my parents came in with goes together. Thankfully, the SA archive landscape provided us with an opportunity to introduce the current state of record management in Korea. While conveying my respect to you, or I would like to the record of the presentation in advance and present it to you, but it's too late. Currently, in Korea, record management is being actively carried out not only in public record management, but also in the private sector. Museums, libraries, and art galleries are also promoting archiving of preservation materials. First, the current status of public record management briefly introduces the record management status the National Archives of Korea, which oversees the records of the public instruction and the annals of just
천천히 읽으세요.
Second, although the record management is being done in various areas in the private sector, we will introduce the activities the archival lab research institutes which focus on digital archives. 지금 이걸 해야 되나? The current status of record management at the National Archives of Korea introduced the 2023 National Archives Work Plan, which marks document. 그 얘기를 해주세요. 2023년도 자료를 소개한다고. 공개된 자료만.
She said she can open the about the file 2023. It's for public, not for
그 비공개 자료. 비공개
there's two kind of the information. There's one for open, one for not open. So
Okay.
she could open
public.
for the file for the public.
Oh, okay.
She
So
share
there were some that are held not for immediate consultation.
Yeah.
The National Archives of Korea represent public records management in Korea. The main status of record management is as follows. First, main functions include improving page public policy plans and systems for Korea's public records management, public records and measure compatible records recipient preservation management and use of overseas records compilation and contents construction of record information resources of record and record information service. We provide information service to the public through exhibition and various other methods. In addition, we are promoting guidance, support, training, and evaluation of record management in public institutions. Second, the history is as follows. It started as the Government Archives in August 1969 and was expanded and reorganized into the National Archives in May 2004. And in December 2007, the Presidential Archives was established. In December 2021, the Presidential Archives was separated from the National Archives. The current organized structure of the National Archives is comprised of three departments: the Record Management Policy Department, the Record Management Department, and the Record Service Department. The National Archives, the History Archives, the Administrative Archives, three archives.
and so on.
So on. Three.
Next.
Yeah. Next. Yeah. The National Archives 본부를 뭐라 그래요? Headquarter, administrative
Yes,
archives, branch administrative archive,
The three branches.
three branches. In addition, the UNESCO International Center for Documentary Heritage was established October 23, 2023, and is currently opening November 1, 2000. November 1st, to strengthen the capacity to preserve and utilize documentary heritage, establish a World Documentary Heritage Network. As of December 2022, there are 255 employees. The relevant law is the Act on the Management of Public Record. The Public Record Act was the first enacted in 1996. Since then, it has been applied first to public institutions and expanded to all areas, various types of the institutions establish record management. There are total 1,650 organizations subject to the management, includes administrative agencies, military agencies, and permanent record management agencies. 지금 이게 우리 그거거든요. The record preservation status 이거 한 읽어보세요.
Almost 7 billion public record.
Record preservation facilities for preservation facilities. 밑으로 쭉쭉.
And go on and
네 곳. 서고가 네 곳이.
there's 4 libraries. There's 4 libraries. There 1 library for the headquarters and 3 branches. And go on.
Go on. Let's take a look at the details of the 3 departments that carry out the main tasks of the National Archive. 그 하는 일은 거의 그 미국 나라에서 하는 거랑 비슷하다고 얘기해요. 하는 주요한 일들은 다.
She said the office it works like the
나라에서 하는 업무랑 비슷하다. 기록 관리.
NASA?
나라.
Yeah.
나라와.
Yes, the National Archives and Records Administration of the U.S.
Yeah. In US, yeah.
Similar.
She said it's the same kind of works as NARA.
Yeah.
I think there's no time to talk about it. It's almost 1:50, so
Yeah.
I think you better about your question about the 3 questions.
2 questions.
2 questions, yeah.
Is it further down in this document?
Yeah. Down.
Yeah. It's end of paper. It says she's talking about 2 questions.
밑으로. Maybe
So that's end of a paper.
Last page.
Yeah.
Last.
The end of paper it says 15. It's a number of paper. It says 15. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Last page.
That's the last pages.
Very good. Sorry, getting there. Whoop. Here we go.
Yeah. The question first. Question 1.
한 번 더 페이지 달라고 그러지.
Yeah, she said 15. The page number is 15.
Okay. Maybe 13?
Yeah, make 13. Yes.
Okay, very good.
I know difference compared to the United States. The National Archives of Korea directly oversees the record management specialist system. Qualification examination system was introduced in February 2011, and the qualification examination operation is managed and certificates are granted. 이거를 내셔널 아카이브에서 관리하고 있다. 우리는 미국은 협회에서 하지만 우리는 자격증을 그 기록원에서 하고 있다. 그게 차이점이거든요.
이게 무슨 말인지 잘 모르겠는데.
내셔널 아카이브 자격, 그 기록, 이 자격증을, 퀄리피케이션, 이거를 우리는 기록원에서 하고 있다. 이렇게. 국가기록원에서 하고 있다. 미국은,
She's explain about how the system is different than US and but I don't know about I'm not a archivist. I'm an artist.
I understand.
I don't understand what she's talking about, but she want to say there's a different system, the US and Korea, about the examination of the officer of the archivist.
Right. So the qualifications are different. The
Yes.
certification is different.
Yeah, she
So
said
could she speak to what is required of an applicant who wants to work at the National Archives?
지금 한국에서 이거 아키비스트 하려면은 어떤 자격증이 있었냐고, 어떤 자격이 있었냐고.
그러니까 이제 기록관리학 대학원을 나와야 되고.
She said that they have degrees for the recording,
archival science.
archival science. They need the degree for the graduate school.
그다음에
Okay, like a master's degree?
시험에
Yes, a master's degree, and there's an examination from the Korean government. So they need to pass it. So they need two qualification. One degree and the other is examination.
Okay.
그리고 미국은 협회에서 이 자격증을 운영하는데 한국은 국가 기록원에서 운영하는데 그게 굉장히 큰 차이죠.
So she said in US the institution they run the organization, but in Korea there's the Korean government, they run the institution, she said.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Should we advance here?
And
Okay.
second, record retention period and location. Korea record preservation period are standardized into 7 types. Permanent, semi-permanent, 3 year, 30 years, 10 years, 5 years, 3 years, 1 years. But United States, the record retention period and preservation period.
Now I understand.
NARA, CIA, and FBI, and very flexible. Yeah.
Do you understand what she said?
Yes, yes. I personally don't know the records retention and disposition schedule of NARA, or the CIA or the FBI, but it's surprising to hear that there's flexibility, rather than rigidity in the schedules.
Question. I am curious about how the fifth industrial revolution, new technologies are being applied to the record management field in the United States.
So there's the first question. She's asking about now in 21st century, there's a fourth industrial revolution nowadays. So what's going on, or what are you referring to about the fourth industrial revolution?
Well, it's
Yes.
interesting that our guest has questions for us. I'm not sure if there's anyone in the audience who cares to answer or try to answer. But we can go on to the second question while our audience thinks about that first question.
Okay.
Second, I'm curious about how record management in the private sector is progressing into the United States.
Ah.
Yeah, she
민간
the
영역을 뭐라고 하지?
private is private sector. So
Mhm.
now she's talking about the kind of guerrilla archivist. So in Korea, there's guerrilla archivist, or you can say whatever. So the archivists, they are not in the house, or they are not involved with the government. They act without the government or non-organization.
Mhm.
They are just acting. So what about in US? If there's any private sector for the activist acting in US? She's asking.
Well, again, it's interesting to have questions from the guest, but I'll tell you, we're at 1:43, and that is a good time, I think, to open the floor, not just to these two questions, but to other questions. I want to thank Jin-Hyun for joining us today. I'm going to stop sharing for now so that I can successfully open the chat. And here we are. Let's see. Are there any questions from the audience before we reflect on our guests' questions?
해야 된다고 지금 50분 돼가지고
그러니까
해야 된다고.
그 얘기를 하세요. 세 번째 자료는 공유해서 읽어봅시다.
She
I have
said,
one, Karen.
Okay, Ellen, go for it.
Hello, everyone, and thank you so much to our speaker and to our translator, as well as to our captioner and our interpreter here today. I have a question that may lead us to some clarity and help us answer questions for our guests or talk to each other. I'm wondering if the archivists are distinct from records managers in Korea. Are they two separate?
다르냐고 하는데.
Are they separate fields and separate groups, or are we using the term to mean the same thing?
우리 그냥 레코드 매니저라 부르지 않고 기록 관리 전문가라고 같이 사용한다고.
So, is a question for her?
기록 관리 전문가.
Yes, I'll reiterate, and Ellen, correct me if I'm mistaken, but Ellen wants to know, in Korea, are
Yes.
archivists distinct from records managers, or are they under the same, I'll say, umbrella of practice?
이게 그 같은 용어로 같은 개념이냐고. 그러니까 그 레코딩 매니저와 아키비스트가 같은 개념으로 한국에서
지금
사용하냐고.
한국에서는 같은 개념으로 생각.
Yeah, she said that
기록
that's the
관리
same
전문.
meaning of the job of the archivist as a
같은
recording
뜻이요.
manager.
네.
That's the same meaning in Korea
그
nowadays.
근무하는 장소가 다르다.
So she said that they are same meaning, but they work different office.
그러니까 permanent archive and 지방 기록관.
So she said that they work for the recording manager, they work for the local government. And the archivist, they work for the central government.
그렇지만 기록 관리 전문가라는 용어를 똑같이 쓴다.
So, but the meaning of the name of job, they using same name, recording officer. They
Okay.
using
레코드 매니지먼트 프로페 전문가로.
recording manager.
네.
음.
같은 same meaning.
Well, I think we have a wonderful attendee in the audience who is an archivist in the private sector. And she says, excuse me if I'm just taking it literally, but the records management varies a lot by company. So the private sector has even more flexibility, perhaps, than, say, a government entity. Jillian, am I misspeaking or no?
Yeah, can I translate it or you just
Yes, please go for it.
네,
지금 프라이빗
어.
그 활동은 지금 미국에서 지금
어.
같이 하고 있다고.
같이 하고 있다.
네.
그러면은
음.
그 얘기를 해주세요.
음.
그 세 번째 자료가 프라이빗 활동인데 자료 공유해서 참고하시면 좋
She
아.
said there's a third file is about the private archivist. So she said if you read or share about the third file, so she's she's thanks about it.
We're getting quite a bit of activity in the chat now. Jillian also says it depends on the company, whether it works for the government or not. So you could have a blend of private sector, public sector in certain contracts. And then Jennifer says, wants to know if you know of ARMA, A-R-M-A, ARMA International.
ARMA.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
very good.
ARMA, ARMA.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. And Jennifer also put some information from the ARMA website in the chat. Thank you for that, Jennifer.
Jennifer. Okay.
And now the other question that you had, Jihyun, about you said, I believe, the fourth generation of industrial revolution. Could you
Yes.
reiterate that question for us? Or just ask it again?
한국에서는 이제 그
잠깐 이거 보는데 Did you see question 보라는데?
Yes, Shelley, while they're looking, I did see your question. I only saw one. Let me go back up to the top.
What is the question? It says there's a chat. Karen says, "Did you see my question? What is the question about it?"
No. We're still we can segue to Shelley's question, which I think came before Jennifer's statement. Why do you think archival records are so important in Korea compared to other countries?
Okay. 왜 한국에서 그 기록이 중요하냐고 그거 물어봤다고. So there's two questions. You're asking about the post-industrial.
Yes, but at the same time, I thought we could go ahead and answer Shelley's question.
이제 우리
음.
국가기록원에서는 그 인공지능 이 기술을 기록 관리에 접목시키려고 그 지금 시도를 하고 있다.
She said now in Korea, the archivists, the institution, they want using the cloud technology and artificial intelligence, the technology. They want to involve of the archivist acting. They are trying to do it.
And that was in response to what is the Korean response to the 21st century records management practice.
Yes. Practice as a fourth industrial revolution. They want connect it.
Absolutely. So I don't know if we have some time still for Shelley's question. And why do you think archival records are so important in Korea compared to other countries, perhaps?
왜 한국에서 이 기록이 중요하냐고 다른 나라에 비해서.
다른 나라에 비해서 우리는 그 지금 전쟁 중인 국가잖아요. 그러니까 더 중요하지 않을까? 기록은 어쨌든 우리 한국의 역사이고 지금 우리는 어쨌든 종전이지만 북한이 그 전쟁 중인 국가이기 때문에 다른 나라보다 기록 관리를 더 잘해야 된다.
She said in Korea is so the situation of the Korea is different than the other country because now Korea is divided country north and south. So she said it's the most important things about the recording of the history because that's the contemporary history in Korea.
그리고 지금 미국, 영국, 일본 사이에 끼어서 살아남아야 된다. 외교.
So she says it's also diplomacy situation or condition. In Korea, there's the surrounding about the big country, the strong country, especially U.S. and China and Russia and Japan. And so that's why the Korea government they care about the recording of the history and recording about the condition.
That makes perfect sense. Shelley, did that answer your question? I'll hope so. Oh, she says yes, that did answer her question. That's great. Thank you. Are there any other questions for our guest?
준비가
We-
이렇게 얘기를 할 수 있어서 기쁘다고 얘기도
She says she does her best, but she's not have enough time to preparing. So thanks for everything, and thanks for you to talk about it and listen about it, and speak about it. And time share of the time. She
Oh,
says thanks about
yes.
it. Thanks
Thank
for
you.
We very much appreciate your time. I know it's incredibly early there. And Rebecca says, thank you so much for sharing your experience with us today. I do have some closing remarks before we conclude. I just want to thank you all for attending today and for being very patient with our early technological challenges. Would love to have you join us at our scheduled section annual meeting, which will be held June 27th at 12 p.m. Central Time. And please watch our listserv for more information in the coming weeks, or certainly feel free to reach out to me with any questions. I'll put my, let's see, I'm going to put my email in the chat.
Karen, I also just put the information in writing into the chat.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Ellen. Lovely.
6월 20일 날 2차 뭐 회의가 있어요?
Any other comments or questions before we adjourn for today? And may I ask you, Ellen, if you can stay on for just a minute after we conclude?
Absolutely.
All right, I'm going to stop recording.